Okay, so Raylan finished it by saying 75, 80, 80 cents. You are right. Good job, Raylan. And make sure as you go, you cross off your money. Okay? All right, number 2. LES, can you come up here and try to do the first 3? So let's see if Ellie knows her quarters. 1 quarter is 25. 2 quarters is 50. 3 quarters is 7. It's okay, try again. You'll get it. See, you got it. 75. Awesome. Can you cross off your quarters? So remember, as we count our coins, let's cross them off because sometimes they mix them around. Okay, let's see. Tyson, can you come to the next one? Okay.
That's the next one.
Well, he's the next one, maybe 2. We'll see if you can get these next 1 or 2. So we're at 75. What is that, Tyson? Do you remember what that is?
It represents 10.
10. It represents 10. It's a dime. Good job. So if you're at 75 and you have a dime,
80.
no. 75 plus 10 more.
Not.
Because 75 plus, watch Tyson, 75, 76, 77, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. That would only be 5 more. So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 85. No, it's 85. We're going from 75 to 85. And some of you, I know, are going to get stumped on doing that. So if you need to stop and count it in your head or use your fingers, please do that. Because 2 of you, one of you thought it was 80, one of you thought it was 90. So.
I thought it was 82, but then I just realized I thought it was 85.
Okay, don't do too much. Okay. 85. Now, Tyson, since you're up here, if you're at 85 and you have 5 more cents, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Uh-oh, you didn't do Betty. 90. And then if you add 1 more, Tyson, finish it off. 91. Okay, awesome. 91 cents on that one. Okay. Now, we're going to let Tyson write it quick. If you have this all done, I want you to flip it to the back. We're going to do the the problem solving. Where you can cross off the brain builders. Get ready, come on. Okay, flip it to the back.
That's not 100 words, that's like 5.
Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to go. Yep, that's up. So I know you're ready to go. Ellie, are you ready? Okay. Braylon, are you not ready?
No, I'm ready.
What do you think it is? It's an 80, 85, 90, 91, 91. Okay, I think everybody's ready now. Mason's finishing up, so catch up on the back. If you didn't hear Mrs. Murphy already, you can cross off the brain builders. We're going to do number 9 and 10 together. Okay, we're going to use the information to answer the question. This is something new and different. We haven't had to do this yet. Dale found a quarter, a dime, and 3 nickels under the sofa. His mom gave him another quarter. Does he have enough money to buy a school basketball game ticket that cost 50 cents? So let's see. How much money did he find under the sofa? So who can tell Mrs. Murphy how much money he found? me the coins? Kaden, what did he find?
So 25.
Okay, so he found a quarter, so 25. So Kaden says there's not much room.
How about you could just do it over there? Like in,
I know, but I would like to make it in a row. So you and we're gonna go small. Quarter, and then put 25. So you're gonna have to make it small. You can do it. Okay, he found some other coins. What else did he find, Kinsley? A quarter. Look at the words.
dime.
A dime. A means one. So he found a dime, one dime. Kinsley, how much is a dime? I should put my posters up. I'll do that today. But how? 10 cents. A dime is 10. Who can figure out if I have 25 plus 10 more? Second graders, tell me how much money I have.
35.
Carson, how much money do I have? You're not even watching and learning. How much, Carson? 35. Kaden, clip up because I heard you.
I'm on your feet.
Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes in a minute. All right, my friend's coming back. Okay, my next group is 5 to go. My group that are just coming in, we're in the back. We'll catch you up on the guided practice, but go to the back, okay? All right, now we have 1 quarter, 1 dime. What else does Dale have? John?
3 nickels.
3 nickels. So down here, Mrs. Murphy's gonna make 3 ends, 3 nickels. So Ingrid and Briley, do you see how we have a quarter, a dime, and now 3 nickels? So 3 nickels. John, can you help Mrs. Murphy figure out if I'm at 35 and I add a nickel, how much would that be?
Mm. 50.
No, I'm at 35, and a nickel is worth 5. So I'm at 35, and I'm gonna add 5 more. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, my friend's coming in. We're on the back page. We're at number 9. Liddy, you're gonna write an aria. A quarter, a dime, and 3 nickels. Now, John, if I'm at 40 and I'm going to add another nickel, how much is that?
45.
45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Then it's 50.
Yeah, for them you don't have reading for now.
Then it's 50.
And then another nickel is 50. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Oh no, wait.
Wait, why do you have to show my answer because I wasn't here?
Brooklyn, we're right here. Sit down. We're right up here. Mrs. Stewart's back there to help you. Now, that is what he found in the sofa, or the couch. His mom gave him how much more? What else did his mom give him, Ellie? His mom gave him another quarter. So Ellie, what did his mom give him? Another quarter. So I'm going to add a quarter to this now. And Ellie, if I add a quarter, I'm at 50. And I'm going to add another quarter, Ellie. So how much will I get? 75 cents. All right, so Dale has 75 cents.
Oh, I messed up.
Now, the first line here, we have to answer the question. So the question was, does he have enough money to buy a school basketball game ticket that costs 50 cents? So if he has 75 buy
Yes.
that ticket that is 50 cents?
Yes.
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 So yes, we're gonna write on the line, yes. Y-E, yes. Now, on the second line, this is gonna make us really think and problem solve. Can Dale also buy a juice box for 25 cents?
Yes.
Yes. Because he's at 50 cents, and another quarter is a juice box, so he would
So I
have
can get both.
just enough. He can get both. He has just enough money to get both.
Then he would have
0 cents left over, right? No change. He doesn't get any change back because he has exactly the amount.
penny.
Okay, does everybody have this down?
No.
Okay, get ready. I'm gonna put these down for not writing as I'm doing. Mason, that is making Mrs. Murphy very sad. As I'm teaching, you need to be writing. Because I'm gonna move it up and it's gonna all disappear and then you'll have to do it all by yourself. Okay, give me the thumbs up when you're ready to move on. Really high in the air. Just waiting for Brooklyn. Mason, you got 30 seconds. Did you answer the questions? Okay. Next time I want you writing as I'm doing, please. Okay, got it, Brooklyn? Yep. Okay, awesome. All right, the last question, and then you'll do the independent practice on your own. Lindsay has 2 quarters and 5 dimes. She gives her friend 1 quarter. Lindsay needs 100 cents to buy a stuffed animal. Does she have enough to buy the toy? So let's start with how much money she has to begin with. So look up here. Lindsay has. What does she have, Wyatt? 2 quarters and 5 dimes. So right now, let's do under here again. 2 quarters. Okay. So Wyatt says 2 quarters. Wyatt, how much are my 2 quarters? Can you tell Mrs. Murphy? Yeah. 25, 50. Good job, Wyatt. Get ready. So 25, 50. Now, what does she have to add to that? Aria? 5 dimes. How much are dimes, Aria? 10 cents. So let's make 5 of them. And then we'll count on.
You will add.
Oh, thank you. You're right, Kaden. It's dimes, not nickels.
I guess.
1 second, Brooklyn. Give Mrs. Murphy 1 second. I'll move. But if you heard me, you heard 2 quarters, 5 dimes.
Oh yeah.
So you can do that. Now this should be kind of easy because
You forgot the numbers on the bottom.
we're not done yet, Brooklyn. Brooklyn, why don't you tell me the numbers at the bottom? We're at 50. What would go next?
55?
Nope, that would be a nickel. A nickel is 5. I have a dime.
Oh, dimes. 10.
So I'm at 50. If I have another dime, what would that be? 50 plus 10. 60. And what if I have another dime, Brooklyn?
70.
Yeah.
80.
And what if I have another one?
80.
And another one?
90.
And then what if 100? So she has 100 cents, or Raylan said $1. Yep. Now, we're not done with our story problem. She gives her friend 1 quarter.
Aren't you supposed to ask?
Nope. she gave her friends some money, like a quarter.
Why
And
would
now
you?
She doesn't.
If I wanted something and someone wanted it, I'm gonna put my stuff in front of me.
Okay, make sure you wrote no. Cross off the brain builders. And now, if you were in here the whole time, you're going to go to the independent practice and do that. And if you just came back from the Shapers, I want you to stay at your desk, and Mrs. Stewart can come and help you two, and I'm going to help Ingrid